Hello everyone and good evening from the side. This is Nigerian time 8:17 GMT. Just 1 hour ahead of United Kingdom time zone and 6 hours ahead of United States time zone. So today I'm going to give an analysis on what we are to expect this week, March 7 to March, that should be March 7 to March 14th, I'm right. Sorry, March 10. Yeah. So I remember why the reason why I always try to look for a good currency pairs to trade in the week is I'm trying to look for a currency pair that will produce high volatility during the week, and that's why I'm always checking for high impact news on forexfactory.com to see the currency pair that will move the market, or the currency pair that will move very fast during the course of the week. So let's check what we're expecting of Monday 8 to Monday 8 to Friday 12th. Let's see the news that will bring high volatility. Okay, we're having GBP. Governor Bailey will speak, so I will expect to trade USD GDP. GBP USD. Don't mind me. That's the Guppy or the cable. I'm expecting that will be on Monday. I'm expecting on Tuesday Governor Lowe speak. That's the Retail Reserve Bank of Australia. Governor Lowe will speak AUD. That means I'm expecting AUD USD currency pairs volatility. On Wednesday, we're expecting USD. A lot of high impact news on USD. First, the CPI monthly data, the core CPI, and we're also expecting Canadian dollar, Bank of Canada Canada rate statement on Wednesday. So we'll be expecting USD CAD as our currency, and then finally we're also expecting overnight rate, crude oil inventory, BOC press conference, and on Thursday we're expecting Euro monetary policy statement and ECB press conference. That will be on Thursday, so we should be expecting Euro USD volatility. While on Friday we are also having Canadian dollar unemployment change and Canadian dollar unemployment rate. So these are the currencies that should move the market, that should move this week. We have the Guppy, we have the fiber, that's the Euro USD. We have the Guppy, that's the GBPUSD. We have the AUD USD, and we have the USD Canadian dollar. So my first analysis will be on GBP USD. So let's go to the chart. Okay, on the chart, I will start with my analysis on the higher time frame, which is monthly time frame. I will draw my support and possible resistance. Okay, so on the monthly chart, we have a support at the zone, okay. We can put it closer because the body is more important than the wick. Okay, so we also have a resistance point at two locations. We have it here, although there has been a break of the structure here, but this was the resistance zone before, which is now support. And we also have another resistance zone at this point, which has not been broken yet. When price got there, it retraces back. So we have a resistance zone at this point. Okay, now there's something important to note here. We can see that a double top has been formed on the monthly chart. The first top, the second top, making a double top, and this is the neckline. While a double top, it's an inverted double top, so we expect price to push up to this point, this location here, okay, but this will be a long-term trade. A double top is a reversal pattern that is formed. So let me just give you an analysis of what is expected here. A top was formed here. Sorry, a bottom was formed. This is double bottom, not double top. This is double bottom. Okay, so a first bottom was formed when price pushed all the way down to this point, and then it heads up again, and then price push it back again, taking it to the previous support. So we have the second top, the second bottom, which is now at this location. Okay, so this forms a double bottom. So a double bottom is a reversal pattern in which price moves to the opposite direction when it is formed. So this is the neckline. This is the neckline. Okay, my advanced students should understand this. This is the neckline. So a double bottom formation will lead to the breakout this neckline to the same point, the same counting point. Okay, this point is 1 2 3 4, so we expect to count 1 2 3 4. So we expect the price to reach here, even though the double bottom is a success. So we'll be expecting our target to be here. So this will be the next resistance point, and that will be our long-term TP. If you want to go on a long time, you can hold the trade for months or for weeks, then I will advise to go for this. So what you notice is that price retraces or price pull back when it touches the first resistance point. Of course, price has already broken through the neckline, so we can expect price to retest the neckline if possible. If the momentum is not that strong, then we are expecting price to retest this neckline, then push up with higher momentum. If not, then price will retest this broken resistance that is not support, and then push higher up to this point. So there are two scenarios that we're expecting on the monthly chart. Price can let me just show you here. This is the target. Price can retraces back to this neckline before going up, or price can, if the momentum is high, price can just go straight up again. Let me just delete some things. Of course, I'm expecting some things on the okay. So we expect price can push down to this point, or it can just retraces to this point, okay, before pushing higher up again, or we can just expect price to just go straight up. If so be the case, then the support at 1.37409 is very, very key. That's just the monthly analysis. So this point is our target. Of course, we should note that the price, the stochastic is at the overbought, so you should be careful. That is showing us that price will definitely retrace, and you can even see from the candle, the latest candle is bearish. The latest monthly candle is bearish, meaning that price can retraces to this point, okay, or retraces to this point. So you have to first wait for price to retrace to this point or this point before making our buy trade. Of course, we can use our Fibonacci retracement level to see where price retraces to, because this was the point where price started buying. This was the place where price began its momentum, and then moves all the way to this point before retracing. So let's use a Fibonacci retracement on the monthly to see where price could likely retraces to. So it's Fibonacci retracement, and then we have it from here. Hope you understand why I started here and not here. Hope you understand why I started here. I started here because here when the prices was going up, it went up, but it has already retraced back here. So there's no need to start the Fibonacci retracement here. Rather, we'll start from the place where the bullish momentum starts, which is definitely here. Here, yes, this small candles here. Let me just take it up. That we have a perfect Fibonacci point. Okay, perfect. So we can see that price has broken the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level at this location, and price is heading to 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, which is in line with our support at this point. So if price should retraces to this 38.2%, which is in line with 1.37409 Fibonacci retracement, then we expect price to push further up. However, if price should retraces to this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is in line with 1.33552 price level, then we can expect a further strong bullish momentum up to the our target. So I expect anything to happen. You can if it touches 38.2%, of course there will be a little bit of bullish momentum. However, this I'm expecting price to retrace this the neckline before pushing straight up again. So I'm expecting price to retrace back to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. Of course, this is a long-term trade, so and this is for the long-term traders. So let's move to the lower time frame, which is the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see a pin bar formed at the resistance here. At the resistance, we can see a pin bar formed, and then price started pushing back down. So we can expect this weekly chart is giving us more light to what is happening, and we can see price is leaving the overbought zone on the weekly chart. So we can expect price to push to this point, yeah, 38.2% Fibonacci retracement before taking off. Of course, in an uptrend, you can expect price to just be going up. There will be up and there will be down, okay, but the overall direction will be up. So let's go to the daily, which will be the key focus on the daily. On the daily, we can see that a divergence was formed. On the daily, and the divergence that was formed was a hidden bullish divergence. You can see a divergence is formed when the price is making when the price and the stochastic are moving contrast to one another. Of course, the price and the stochastic should be moving in the same direction. However, when the price is making a higher high and the stochastic is making a higher low, or when the price is making a lower low and the stochastic is making a higher low, then a divergence is forming. So we can see from this chart that on the daily, of course, we can see that price formed a divergence. On the stochastic, we can see a lower low formed. Okay, this is a low, then this is another low. This low here is lower than this low, so this is a lower low. Why this is a low? But on the chart, we can see a low, okay, and then we can see a higher low. Of course, let me just adjust it so that we can see very well this point. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me just shut in so that it won't convince you. Okay. Okay, so we can see that the same point here where the price makes a low here, this one to make a low, and then but this one was a higher low, a higher low, a low, a higher low. However, the stochastic was making a low and a lower low, so this is hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence means that the sellers are exhausted, and then a change of trend will continue. And you can even see from the momentum that this is an uptrend, and the price is currently respecting the red EMA here. Looking at this indicator, we can see the red EMA is 50 EMA. So price is actually respecting the 50 EMA. You can see price respected the 50 EMA all the way from December 14, 2020. So till now, you can see that when price touches the 50 EMA, there was a pullback. So we can expect price to retest the 50 EMA before the uptrend continues. So my bias on GBPUSD is an uptrend for now, and then we'll set our target. This is for day trader, please. For day trader, I expect price to further move up to this resistance point 1.42471, and which is a very good trade with a good risk reward trade. I would just advise to put your stop loss a little bit below the support here, exactly at this point, because any break below this point means our trade is no longer valid. Okay, and then any break below this 50 EMA means price is no longer respecting this 50 EMA. So I expect price to respect the EMA, at least respect the EMA. If not, then we expect price to respect the 8.2% Fibonacci retracement, but that will be a very bad risk to reward ratio. But of course, you can wait till price retouch this EMA and then set your stop loss here, or you can wait for price to touch this 38.2 EMA. It all depends on how the price is moving, or you can decide to wait for the price to reach 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and then place your stop loss a little bit at this low. But I expect price to continue up since a divergence has been formed. So this will be your entry point. You can wait till this touch again at 1.37786, then set your stop loss at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, 1.37000. Okay, and then set your TP to 1.41396. Of course, we can check that the stochastic is oversold. Also looking at the lower time frame, H4, you can see that price is actually forming a doji was formed there. A long doji was formed there after a pin bar was formed, meaning that price is rejecting this level. So we can expect a continuation of the uptrend on the GBP USD. So my bias on GBP USD is a long trade. Always look for a long trade opportunity throughout this week. Looking at the H1 chart, you can see that price is really rejecting this one, and you can see that the current candle is bearish, so we can expect price to test this level again. Let me just show you I can expect price to test this level again. I expect price to test this level again. So testing this level, the price will go up. All right, I hope you learned a lot today. I'll be uploading more videos on USD Canadian dollar and Euro Canadian dollar. Have a nice day and have a wonderful day. Cheers.